Hey everybody, I want to talk about this Vevor Archery target. This was given to me to test and review. I was super excited about that because we are an archery family. We got to test it out on my son's 70-pound bow, and it did really well, as you can see in this video here. It's rated up to 70 pounds, but I feel like it can go much higher than that. I'm not sure who shoots higher than 70 pounds, but I feel like it could stop arrows at a higher poundage. We also discharged our crossbow bolt in it as well, and that did really well too. I've used a lot of targets where the crossbow bolt goes all the way through, or you get the fletchings right up against it and it's hard to pull out, but this did a really good job of stopping that. This is made from XPE Foam, which is a really strong, dense, durable foam. They say it's self-healing, and it does a pretty good job of closing up those holes afterwards. So basically, when you pull the arrow out, the foam kind of compresses back into place. So it's doing a good job of that. Nice, easy carry handle. This is nice and lightweight. It's 15 by 15 by 15. I like the angles here because basically, if you want to, you can angle it up. So if you're shooting from a tree stand, you can aim down on it like that. So that's another good feature of it. Good visibility of the markings. I really like this target. I hope this review is helpful. Thanks for watching.